Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to change newsfeed on Instagram. Here's a step guide to change your newsfeed, home feed on Instagram using your mobile device. First is to unlock your mobile phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure to log in to your account if you aren't already signed in. On the bottom, tap the home icon to go to your feed. At the top of the feed, tap the Instagram logo or the small arrow next to it. A drop down menu will appear with options like following and favorites. Tap following to see posts only from people you follow, and chronological order. Tap favorites to see posts from accounts you've added to your favorites list. To manage favorites, tap favorites, then tap the three lines with the stars. Then tap add to choose new favorites if prompted. Tap confirm favorites to save your selection if there's any, or tap the back arrow. To switch back to the default feed, algorithm based, tap the arrow in the top left, then tap the Instagram logo again. Choose home or simply stay on the main feed. Scroll to view your feed. It will now reflect your chosen preference. You can switch between home, following, and favorites anytime by repeating the drop down menu steps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.